Alright folks, a killer deal from Metabo HPT. Got a 7-tool kit here for $279. Everything you need just about on a job site in one bag except for a full-size recip. These are not their subcompact drills. That is the triple hammer impact driver, and that is their hammer drill. Now, I have the multi-tool and the one-handed recip. I do like the multi-tool. It has a auto feature where it senses how much OPMs it needs. But I really like the one-handed recip because it accepts jigsaw blades, and I use that to cut sheetrock. It works fantastic with a jigsaw blade. I'll leave a link in the description for you, and you can check it out yourself, go through the specs. It has two 3 amp hour batteries also. They do not have a fuel gauge, but it's better than two 1.5s, which we're seeing in a lot of kits. Link will be in the description.